Hey, welcome back everyone. As we have studied the acylation's definition and we have covered the basics that is here and here. Well, that was kind of quick revision. Now we are going to study about the fundamental reactions of the acylation. So you can see the three reactions jumbled up here, but it's all very simple if you look closely, and that's what we are going to do here. Remember one thing, that in first two reaction we have used the strong base. Okay, now let's begin. So in the first one we took C2H5 and NH2, means it's 1 degree amine. And when this type of things comes with nitrogen, we call them amide, but in this case we have not named it. I will let you know it in a while. But this is the chloride thing that we have talked about in the definition of acylation. Okay, now we have used a base. Probably we can use KOH. That's not that much strong, but we can use that here. But we have not mentioned it here for our specific purpose because we can vary that. Okay, so what is happening in this stage? Well, nothing special because it's just the addition, nothing else. Nitrogen, this is going to get attack on this place, and finally when it attack on this place, the oxygen will lose its one bond and the shuffling will happen, and so on and on and on. So it will get a negative charge because the second bond when break down, so one electron will come back to oxygen and one electron will go somewhere else, so this will going to be the positive one. So this is the story kind of thing that you can relate with it. Okay, now what the real reaction is, the real product is here. The real product tells us about that HCl is going to remove. Well, we can simply see that Cl from this one and one H from this one will going to form HCl, which is one of most strongest acid after H2SO4, which is known as hydrochloric acid, that you surely have heard. It is having pH value of 1, so surely very strong acid. And also it's stable. That's the key. Like the water is stable, so we can remove the water. HCl is also stable, so whatever is left is going to get added up. So here is our product that we get. So our product is N-ethylenamide. Well, I broke down this word for you so that you can pronounce it quite easily. So C2H5 is the eth group because there are two carbon atoms. NH means amide thing, and this is actually amine thing, and this one is actually that I have started earlier talking in this one, but I did not talk about it much because this is where I wanted to talk about it. We use the ide word, IDE, like you can see here, ide word. It repeats wherever we have oxygen and carbon along with nitrogen. So we use the word amide in these cases. So this is our reaction, and I hope you have enjoyed learning this too. So it's time to learn the second reaction, but one at a time is quite a good one. So we are going to cover the second reaction in the second video. So stick with me, take care, God bless.